All right, guys, we are back with our mega box inner carton. I'm going to take my third mega box out today, and we are going to do another opening. Let's get right to it. I'm, like I keep saying in all the other videos, I'm already very happy with what I've gotten out of these first two boxes, rather. We'll hope that that statement is true after this third box is opened. Just like that. Let's go ahead and start opening. Buy the dip. Number 69. We got this guy. Jacob Beam, number 49. I believe that's my first one of that. Another buy the dip, right? Two in the same pack. How does that happen? But this one, no way. Already? Perfect. It has actually a Gemstone Refractor. I believe that's an emerald. That's going to be numbered as well. So that's already a great pull. 73 of 99 by the dip. That is an emerald gemstone refractor. You can see the shape of it on the outside, and the color of the card determines what that is. I don't have that sheet here to show all of that right now, but that's great. First pack with a numbered gemstone refractor. Can't beat that. That's beautiful. Awesome. All right, now I have this in a crystal sparkle, I believe. Yes, now we got it in a rainbow holofoil. Very nice. Number 58. And R.C. Helen of Troy. Number 7. Very nice. That's a good start. That's a very good start. I like that. I like that. Let's go pack number 2. Bitcoin. Got one of these already. Number 21. Got another Bitcoin. I got a few of these already. Number 45, Satoshi. We got a Harry Potter Matrix holofoil. Very nice. Again, the Matrix holofoil only comes in these mega boxes. Number 63, very nice. Here's a new one for me. Number 61, staking. And that's also a new one for me. Number 70, Bitcoin. Very nice. Let's go pack number 3. Karma, do you really have to lick like crazy? Yeah, she does. Of course she does. She always wants to be there, doing something. Got another emerald. Nope. Another by the dip. 38. How do we have another by the dip? Same one. 69. There we go. That's a nice rainbow holofoil. RC as well. That's her name that I'm not going to pronounce again. 47. Who's this guy? That's Satoshi again. Number 33. Don't have that one. And we've got oil. Number 57. Very good. Next pack. We've got an inverted Jenny. I keep pulling up too many cards. 11 SP. I don't think I have an SP, but I felt like that was the same one I've had. We'll see. I gotta go look at that later. Got another Bitcoin. Number 50. We've got an iced foil here. All right. Yes, iced foil. Is that Cornelius? It is. Number 60. Very nice. We've got an Elon. Just a regular. 68. And Standing Liberty Quarter, number 5. Nice. 4 packs left. Here's the 4th one. Actually, 5th one, if I know how to count. Nice, we've got another Wu-Tang Clan record. 53. Public occurrences, foreign and domestic. Number 29. Oh, here we go. It's my first rainbow holofoil of this Barksy. Barksy/Banksy. 43. That's a nice one. Ooh, we got a foil of our hot wallet. Iced foil hot wallet. Number 39. See how the currency is also shiny. That's how you know it's an iced foil. And then just another regular Jacob Beam. Number 49. Beautiful. Let's go with pack number 6. We got a Dogecoin. 66. That's another inverted Jenny. That's 11. All right, so check that out. So how? It's inverted. Okay, look at that. Look at the plane. I'm like, I don't see a difference here. The plane in the backgrounds as well on the stamps. So the 11 and the 11 short print. Interesting. I couldn't even tell the difference. Very cool. All right. You've got a Matrix holofoil. Very nice. RC. Jack Dorsey. Number 55. Very cool. And another Satoshi. Number 33. And a cold wallet. 39 short print. Very nice. 7th pack. Second to last. This goes by too quick. 40 cards just like that. Here's a new card. This one would be really nice in a foil. Is that Ethereum? It is Ethereum number 13. We've got one of these. Suriname 5 golden number 44. Oh, we've got a Bible in rainbow holofoil. I believe this is the short print Bible. That's very nice. It is 14 short print. That's cool. 5 silver dollars. This one would be really neat in a foil. Any kind of foil. $18.96 $5 educational note, number 9. And we got another one of this guy. RC Euclid. All right. Last pack for this video. Man, these do just go faster and faster. Bending, not so much slightly. All right, we got an emerald, which is a short print. There. We've got, this is Sam Bankman-Fried, I believe, yes. Number 22. All right, we got a Satoshi Imperial Matrix Holofoil. Not much going on with that card, but still nice. Number 33. Oh, we got an iced foil. Allsup's Arctic Ale, number 67. And last but not least, we've got another ruby. Number 8. That's it for this pack. So, yeah. Got a few Matrix Holofoils. Got a few rainbows. Nothing crazy special, but again, we've been doing good on the other boxes so far. So far so good. Adding more to the collection. That's all for today. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.